Welcome to my channel Esteemed Tech. In this video, we are going to learn about correlation. There are three types of correlation. First one is positive, second is negative, and another one is zero or no correlation. Come, let's learn together with examples as well.
So today's topic is correlation. Correlation in NumPy is a statistical measure of the relationship between two variables. It tells us how strongly two variables are related to each other. The correlation coefficient can range from -1 to 1, where -1 represents a perfect negative correlation, 1 represents a perfect positive correlation, and 0 represents no correlation. Right? So, positive correlation. Positive correlation means that as one variable increases, the other variable also increases. Conversely, as one variable decreases, the other variable decreases as well. So here is an example. There are two arrays x and y that contains values starting from 1 to 5. Both arrays contain same values. So here we are using core_coef function where we are supplying these two arrays x and y, and we want a relationship between these two arrays. Right? So we have mentioned here 0, 1. This means we need to find correlation between x and y. Right? 0 represents x array, 1 represents y array. Right? So here when we are printing the correlation between these two arrays x and y, it is giving me as an output 0.99999. So this is very close to 1. Means this is having positive correlation, right? So next, negative correlation. A negative correlation means that as one variable increases, the other variable decreases, and vice versa. So here we have two arrays again, x and y. In this case, x contains values starting from 1 to 5 and y contains values starting from -1 to -5. So we can see here as x is increasing, y is decreasing. As x is becoming more positive, y is becoming more negative, right? Means these two variables are in opposite direction. So when we are calculating the correlation between x and y arrays in this case, you can see here it is providing me as an output -0.999. This is very close to -1, right? So this is a kind of perfect negative correlation, right? So no correlation or zero correlation. This means that as one variable increases or decreases, the other variable does not have a predictable change. So in this case, heights and number of pets, these two arrays are there. So heights of pets or number of pets, these two are not related to each other. These two variables are not related to each other. First variable contains heights, second contains number of pets. So you can see here when I'm finding correlation between these two variables, heights, number of pets, you can see here within the parentheses of these two function, this function core_coef, here you can see it is giving me output 0.15953 and this, right? So this is the output and this is very close to 0, maybe 0.1 or right less than 0.2. So in this case, we can simply say this kind of relationship is zero correlation or no correlation. There is no correlation between these two variables.
Like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. We are so thankful that you are supporting us.